Hi, this is Terry the technician. Did you know there's some repairs and adjustments that you can do on your own windows and doors that are relatively easy and don't require a lot of tools? In today's video, I'm going to show you how to adjust the sash, the part that opens, as well as how to make adjustments to the lock and latch on your patio door. Adjustments are sometimes needed if your sash doesn't slide or lock easily, or if it becomes unlevel. This can be caused by the settling of your home or after prolonged use. Before you start, you'll need a Phillips and flathead screwdriver and a rubber mallet. A Robertson screwdriver may also be required for adjusting the latch for the lock hardware. The first thing to know is that you'll be making the adjustments from inside your home. First, remove the covers for the 2 adjustment screws. These are located along the bottom edge of the operating panel of your patio door, called the sash, located close to each corner. You can use a flathead screwdriver or flat blade to assist you with the removal of the cover, using caution not to damage the surface. Next, insert a Phillips screwdriver into each hole and turn the adjustment screw left or right to raise or lower the sash. Turning left will lower the sash, and turning right will raise it up. Make only small adjustments at a time. It's a good idea to keep the sash in an almost closed position so you can better see how level it is compared to the frame. Adjust each screw until the sash is level and has an even reveal on all 4 sides. Replace the adjustment screw covers back over each screw hole. You may need to use a rubber mallet to gently tap them back in. Close the sash and test the locking mechanism. If the door does not lock, adjustments will need to be made to the lock mechanism and keeper plate, especially if a large adjustment was made to the sash. To adjust the keeper plate, slightly loosen the screws to move the plate up or down. Once it's in a position that the latch can catch, re-tighten the screws to secure it into position. To adjust the lock mechanism, turn the adjustment screw left or right. This will either extend or reduce the length of the latch. Make only small adjustments, closing and testing the sash and lock each time. If the latch on the lock mechanism is too short, it will not latch onto the keeper plate. If it's too long, the sash will have movement when it's locked. I hope this video was helpful with adjusting your patio door. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact your All Weather Windows service department.